Did you know that businesses lose an average of 4 to 5 hours per week per employee due to poor time tracking? That's more than half a workday just vanishing into thin air. Without the right tools, tracking your employees' work hours can be a complete hassle. From endless paperwork to chasing down employees to record their hours, it's not an easy task at all. Fortunately, time attendance apps allow you to automate and precisely track your team's time so you pay them exactly what they deserve. Hey everyone, welcome back to SoftwareHope. In this video, we will look at the best employee attendance software available on the market. If you are enjoying this, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to SoftwareHope so you do not miss out on our latest reviews. So let's get started. First up, Buddy Punch, a comprehensive workforce management software for both hourly and salaried employees. Key features include drag-and-drop scheduling with recurring shifts and customizable employee availability. Automatic notifications keep everyone informed about new shift assignments. Now, here's where things get interesting. Buddy Punch excels at correcting time tracking errors with real-time tracking. Administrators can easily access and modify time cards to maintain accurate records. The platform streamlines payroll and PTO tracking. You can use Buddy Punch as your payroll provider or integrate with existing systems like QuickBooks, ADP, and Gusto. Advanced security features include IP address locking, geofencing, GPS tracking, and photos on Punch, all designed to prevent time theft and enhance accountability. PTO management is seamless. Employees submit time-off requests through the app with customizable accrual rules to fit your business needs. For payroll processing, Buddy Punch accurately records team hours, supports direct deposit and check payments, and automatically calculates tax withholdings. Customer reviews praise the responsive support team, intuitive features, and customization options. Pricing starts at $5.49 per user per month, with a 14-day free trial requiring no credit card. Up next, Connect Team, a leading GPS-based attendance tracking solution with built-in chat, tailored for the deskless workforce. This all-in-one app accurately tracks work hours and manages timesheets from anywhere. It's perfect for construction, healthcare, retail, and various other industries. The single-touch time clock and GPS tracking are standout features. Employees clock in and out from mobile phones, while employers can set up kiosk stations for teams in the same location. GPS ensures employees are where they should be while clocked in. Here's where it gets even better. Digital geofencing limits the area from which staff can clock in and out, creating secure virtual boundaries around workplaces. Job-specific time tracking allows recording hours spent on specific jobs, locations, or clients, valuable for billing and resource allocation. Automated timesheets log all tracked time with easy payroll discrepancy reviews. The absence and time-off management feature streamlines employee requests, automatically calculating absences based on company policies and notifying employees of status updates. This next feature saves tons of time. The intuitive drag-and-drop shift scheduler creates shifts and assigns employees based on qualifications and availability. Templates and conflict alerts reduce labor costs and scheduling errors. For payroll, Connect Team directly exports timesheets to preferred software, including QuickBooks and Gusto integrations. Serving over 90 industries, it's ideal for both large organizations and small businesses with frontline employees. Pricing starts at $29 per month for up to 30 users, with a free-for-life plan for businesses with fewer than 10 users. Now, let's check out Deal, a comprehensive global employee management solution for businesses with diverse, geographically dispersed workforces. This platform excels at managing employees and contractors across international markets. It provides a secure, centralized platform for global hiring, HR, and payroll management. Ideal for companies expanding globally, Deal integrates seamlessly with existing HR platforms, enabling two-way data synchronization. As cloud-based software, it offers smooth integration with invoicing, accounting, and third-party solutions through its API. The robust attendance and PTO tracking system works through Deal Engage, facilitating time-off requests directly into the system. It integrates with Slack and Microsoft Teams, simplifying tracking for employees and managers. You will not believe what this does. Deal Engage alerts team members when someone's out and analyzes time-off trends, helping managers monitor unused PTO balances and identify potential burnout signs. This proactive approach to employee well-being is impressive. Features include attendance tracking, time off and expense management, employee directory, organizational charts, detailed profiles, equipment management, and desk booking. Smart Reporting offers insights into headcount, global costs, and payroll reports. Advanced features encompass employer of record services, contractor management, global payroll, hiring and onboarding, background checks, contract management, offboarding, workflow management, and security compliance. For businesses with up to 200 employees, Deal offers a free platform, an incredible value for companies expanding internationally. Here's where customization shines. Monday.com is a work operating system with customizable dashboards and templates for attendance tracking, team calendars, work hour monitoring, and project management. Their Work OS is perfect if you want attendance tracking templates that you can customize to your business needs. You can track employee attendance and monitor hours spent on tasks for future planning and forecasting. The attendance tracker template includes essential features like viewing sick leaves, vacation leaves, and unauthorized absences. This visibility helps managers efficiently juggle schedules and find coverage for unexpected absences. Features include customizable templates, data-rich dashboards, manager notifications, automations, flexible views, color coding, and embedded forms. This next part is really valuable. Firms charging billable hours will love the integrated billing and invoicing feature. You can also create invitation-only workspaces for confidential projects where teams share ideas and documents privately. Pricing starts at $9 per user per month for the basic plan with a 14-day free trial of the Pro plan, and a free plan available for Monday work management. This next solution focuses on automatic monitoring. Time Doctor offers innovative employee attendance tracking with automatic monitoring and scheduling insights, allowing managers to focus on operations rather than overseeing attendance. Real-time attendance insights provide instant updates on who's late, absent, or currently working. This enhances urgent project management and team collaboration. Here's what saves tons of time. The platform eliminates traditional clocking in and out, automatically tracking start and end times while comparing actual versus expected hours. You can customize views for individual users, teams, or departments. Time Doctor's insights improve employee experience by analyzing actual hours worked to balance workloads and prevent burnout. Daily alerts help prevent employee churn, and the system identifies employees not taking enough time off. Employee scheduling becomes efficient with streamlined shift creation, easy import and export options, and customization for individuals or teams. Multiple shifts per day are supported with minimum hour requirements. You will love this integration. Time Doctor integrates attendance with payroll features, avoiding the stakes through automatic tracking and timesheet approvals. It offers flexible pay periods, currencies, and batch payment automation. The software integrates with over 60 payroll and accounting tools, including JIRA, Asana, FreshBooks, PayPal, TransferWise, Google Apps, and Salesforce. Now let's talk about seamless accounting integration. QuickBooks Time is comprehensive time tracking software designed to manage people, projects, and payroll efficiently while integrating perfectly with QuickBooks. The software simplifies managing multiple timesheets with easy approval processes. The QuickBooks Workforce mobile app enables tracking, submitting, and approving time from anywhere, perfect for office, remote, or field workers. The clear, accessible interface makes it easy to see who's working, what they are working on, and their specific job assignments. This feature is valuable for business owners. Customizable reports offer incredible business insights, helping predict job costs, plan payroll, and boost profitability. These reports are essential tools for strategic planning and business management. Seamless integrations with accounting and payroll systems enhance efficiency. The geofencing feature sets up virtual perimeters, reminding team members to clock in and out when entering or leaving job sites. The software serves various industries, including construction, landscaping, and home healthcare, adapting to businesses of all sizes with tools that support growth and success. Pricing ranges from $20 per month base fee plus $8 per user per month for the premium plan with a comprehensive 30-day free trial. Last, but definitely not least, TimeCamp is a free employee attendance tracker for unlimited users with unlimited projects. Loved by thousands of office and remote teams worldwide, this versatile tool suits all business sizes and offers incredible flexibility with a web timer, Chrome plugin, desktop app for Linux, Mac OS, Windows, and native mobile apps for Android and iOS. What's amazing about TimeCamp? They offer a time clock kiosk and app, a separate module for easy clocking in and out with attendance monitoring. Just need an internet connection, place a laptop or tablet in your workplace, and employees use their unique 4-digit PIN codes. This makes it perfect for field workers, manufacturing, restaurants, and hotels. Here's the best part. The completely free plan for unlimited users includes time tracking, unlimited projects, time clock kiosk, desktop and mobile apps, idle time detection, and many more features. For a free solution, this is incredibly comprehensive. So there you have it. The 7 best employee attendance software tools available today. Whether it's Buddy Punch's comprehensive management, Connect Team's GPS focus, Deal's global capabilities, Monday.com's customization, Time Doctor's automation, QuickBooks Time's accounting integration, or TimeCamp's free offering, each brings unique value. Which one caught your attention? Are you dealing with remote workers, field employees, or office teams? Let us know in the comments below. If you are still undecided, check the video description for free trials and latest discounts to all these platforms. I highly recommend testing them with your own team to see which suits your needs best. If this video helped you discover great attendance tracking options, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to SoftwareHope and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest software reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.